Hello guys, today we have RTX 3060 Ti, the GDDR6X version, and at this video I will tell you how you can fix this problem, coil whine, and what exactly causing the coil whine, and I will show you and I will talk about everything. As you can see, I got this GPU, it's like 2 weeks I got this one. So first let's start the game and see what is coil whine. And everything is fine because the GPUs are not on the full load, and I think you can hear in small amount of coil whine. Yeah, this weird noise is actually not from the chip, it's about the coils, and I will show you. As you can see, you cannot hear the coil whine anymore. Now it's started. You know, the game is just loading. That's obvious. You know, I just checked my power supply and everything is fine. My motherboard is fine. There is no problem with my computer. The problem is GPU. I tested on other computers. So I'm going to start the game. Oh. You can hear that. That's pretty loud. So I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna press the Windows and D button. After I press this button, you cannot hear the coil whine. So I'm gonna do that. Just listen. Okay, Windows. Now I'm in the game. You can hear the coil whine. I even didn't start the game, so let's start the game to see. It gets very low, like 2x loader than now. As you can see, the FPS is normal, everything is fine, works perfect. I've got no problem in the game. I can do whatever I want, and it's full performance, it's on full load. And I just want to show you, it has no problem with performancing the game. It has full performance and everything's on epic settings, and the DLSS is on balance, which it doesn't affect on my game. I don't know, I just set it on balance, and everything is on max settings. Okay, so here's the coil whine. Back. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna press the Windows button. Coil whine gone, but there is still there, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go back into the game. You know, I just pressed the Windows key. I'm gonna back into the game. You can hear the coil whine again. It works perfect, but the problem is just coil whine. It's pretty annoying, and I will tell you what I just researched about it. I did a lot of way. I tried a lot of way to solve this problem, and I will tell you how we can fix that. Just back to desktop to show you something. So what is coil whine? What is causing coil whine? You can see the coils. These are coils. You can see, oh, these are coils. And this is capacitors, and this is coils, okay? And we got coils here. I don't know where is that coil. That's NVIDIA GPU. But to be honest, I just downloaded this picture. It's not 3060 Ti. I don't know about the model. If you want to know what is the model of this GPU, I don't know, you can search the model number. Okay, these are coils actually. These coils are wobbling. When the high amount of electrical current come into the coils, they start to wobbling, shaking, not like that. It's something like vibration. It's like vibration, yeah, actually. They're vibration. And the noise you can hear, it just the sound of wobbling these coils. They start to like shaking. And we have the thermal pad on top of the coils to make them cool, and that's pretty normal. It doesn't affect on your gameplay or the performance of the graphic card. So everything's fine. They're just shaking. That's normal. The coil is shaking. It's depend of what quality of coil the ASUS or other brands, other manufacturers gonna use on them GPU. But all the coils in all the electrical device will like vibrating, and the noise, that weird noise, as I already showed you, it's just the noise of them vibration, like your mobile vibration. Yeah, that's it. So how we can fix the Coil Whine? You have 3 ways to fix the Coil Whine. First one, return your GPU from where you bought your GPU, from the shop, from the ASUS, from MSI. Just return to the guarantee. First call to the customer service as return your GPU. I already returned to 3060, not 3060 Ti, just 3060, as you've seen in previous videos, to the ASUS, and this one has lower Coil Whine than TUF 3060. You can see the previous videos on my channel. And I just returned the GPU, but before I returned the GPU, I just changed my power supply for 3 times. I tried like 600 watts power supply, 700 watts power supply. The 600 power supply was bronze and the 700 was silver, and this one is 800 watts power supply, it's gold. And I even tried from different brands, from the Silverstone, Leonly, but you know, you cannot fix it. Maybe it's gonna work for you, but you can try another power supply. If it worked for you, okay, so we're good. But the second way is try another power supply, and the first one is return your GPU. If you can return your GPU, you can return it to ASUS or MSI, I don't know. Or you can, the second way is change your power supply. And the third way is, I want to tell you, undervolt your GPU. Yeah, it's gonna work. If you do not have the first option or second option, you can just undervolt your GPU and everything's gonna be fine, I promise you. If you don't know what is undervolting GPU, the high amount of electrical currents coming to these coils, and after that they start to vibrate, and that's gonna cause the weird noise. So you can undervolt your GPU. If you undervolt your GPU, everything's gonna be fine. The undervolt just worked for me. At this video, I'm not gonna tell you how to undervolt your GPU, but that's gonna work. That's the only solution for the Coil Whine. Thanks for watching.